In today's video, we're going to look at some video challenges from two of our members inside of our private community. They're going to talk about their favorite mode of transport, type of transport. But before we get into those challenges, I'd like to tell you about something pretty exciting. Are you scared of speaking in English? Maybe you are. We have a special free English workshop to celebrate Halloween, and you are invited to join. Just click on the link in the description of this video. Actually, let me show you what you have to do. So click on the link in the description of this video, and then it's going to take you to this website here. Okay, so you click on this website, eliminate your fear of speaking in English. Then you click on this button here, okay? Get started. After you click on that, you will be subscribed to our chatbot, Toby, okay? TobyBot. He just sent me a message now, I can see. So subscribe to TobyBot. He's sending me lots of messages right now. He will help you through the workshop, and I think you're going to have a great time. That's going to be running from Monday until Wednesday inside of my Facebook group, actually, Lloyd's Everyday English. But just click on the link in the description of this video. Go to TobyBot, subscribe to Toby, and I think you're going to enjoy it. We're going to give you some free resources to help you with your English. And we're going to talk about the fear that people have speaking in another language and how you can overcome that. All right, so make sure you join that workshop. Look forward to seeing you there. All right, so in this video, we're going to look at two video challenges from two of our private members. If you would like to join the private community, by the way, we have a private community at English TV Live where we have live lessons every day from Monday to Friday, teaching you pronunciation, grammar, listening, vocabulary, and we also give, and other things as well, we also give our members a chance to practice their speaking in these video challenges. Now, the topic for this challenge, by the way, the two participants are going to be Rafaela and Noor. So we look forward to seeing your videos. The topic for today was, what is your favorite mode of transport? Okay, mode of transport means type of transport. Okay, in this case, mode means type. So, for example, my favorite mode of transport these days is definitely Uber. Okay, Uber, in case you don't know what Uber is kind of like it's an app on your phone where you can order cars to come and collect you, and it's kind of like a taxi, right? But it's just regular people driving their cars, and it's super cheap and convenient, and I really love it. It's awesome. Uber. But we're going to find out now what are the favorite modes of transport of two of our members. So let's first go to Rafaela's video, and from time to time, I might make some little corrections here and there, and then we'll go to Noor's video after that. So first of all, let's go to Rafaela. Okay.
Hello guys, Rafaela.
And here she is. Rafaela,
Hello guys,
speak up.
Rafaela
Okay.
here. This week it's my turn to make the video challenge. And the subject for this week is, what is your favorite mode of transport? So my favorite mode of transport is the underground, or subway, or in Brazil, metrô, or here in Porto, metro. I've chosen this one because for me it's the best way to travel around the city.
One thing, I have chosen, okay? I have chosen. So choose, the verb to choose, past tense is I chose, but in this case, it's the present perfect. So I have chosen this one.
And easy, and you get places quickly. And yeah, I would like to mention, if you don't mind, 4 cities in particular. The first one is my hometown in Rio. We have a small and a simple one, just 3 lines, so it's not too difficult to use it. The second one is Paris. I think it was the biggest one I've traveled so far, so it's crazy.
You'd rather say maybe so the Paris metro is the biggest subway system or metro system that you have taken so far. Okay, instead of traveled, maybe. It's the biggest one that you've taken.
Many lines, and with a lot of connections, and was a little bit hard when I needed to use for the first time. The third one is London, my favorite city so far, and it's big as well, but it's colorful, so if you don't know the names of the line, you can remember the color. So if you need to go to some place, you just need, I need to take the red one, the black one, the blue one. So it's quite easy. I used to take a lot when I was there.
I used to take it a lot, or I used to take this. You're talking about the tube, right? So in England we have the tube. Paris has the metro. Different countries have the subway. So you used to take it a lot. Take it a lot. Put a lot at the end of the sentence.
And the last one is in Porto. Here the metro is not completely on the ground, above the ground, and it's the lined railed. It's one thing I would like to mention is because if you get boring or you don't want to listen to some music, you can travel in a...
Is that right? If you get boring, is that correct? If you get boring, it should be if you get bored. Okay? If you get bored. Your feeling is boring. You can say if it is boring. Okay? So the situation or the place or the thing is with ing. Okay? For the adjective. So if it is boring, if I get bored, then ...
Appreciate the view of the city. It's really nice. I made a short video, show a little bit how the metro works and my favorite place here in Porto. I hope you enjoy it as much as I did doing the video, and that's it. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye.
Okay, thank you so much, Rafaela. A fantastic job. Just be careful about a few of the things I corrected there, but you did a great job. And please make some more video challenges in the future, because the more you practice, the more confidence you're going to get. And but yeah, you did a great job. Just take note of the few corrections that I made there. So if you're just tuning in now, we're talking about modes of transport, your favorite mode of transport. And so Rafaela says her favorite is the metro. I said mine is Uber. And now we're going to go over to Noor. Noor is going to tell us what her favorite mode of transport is.
Hello everyone, my name is Noor Marina, and the mode of transport that I like is a car. Why do I choose a car? Not because I can drive it faster, I like it because it got an aircon. As you may know, the weather in Malaysia is pretty hot. Sometimes we got rain, cloudy, but usually it's hot. I like to become the passenger rather than driving, because when I become a passenger, I just get enjoy the ride. I can play.
You would not say when I become the passenger, you say be the passenger. I like to be the passenger. Me too, by the way. I like to be the passenger, not become the passenger.
Play my phone, reading, and I don't have to worry about which road to be taken, where I have to go. I'm a little bit terrible in the sense of direction, even though I have already gone to that place multiple times. I still forgot which road to be taken. That's why when I'm driving, I like to have someone beside me so that person can tell me which way to go.
I see. So Noor has a bad sense of direction, you can say. I have a bad sense of direction. And me too. I think me and you are kind of similar, actually. So you have a bad sense of direction. You don't know which direction to go. And yeah, I'm the same here. So you like to have somebody with you to help maybe you could say to help guide the way, to help direct you in the right, to show you the right direction maybe, to help you along. But let's continue.
Speaking about transportation, there are some specialty in Malaysia. Like Suhana said, we had Trishaw in Malacca, Sampan in Sabah, and at my state, Sarawak, we got Lombok. I think that's all for now. Goodbye everyone, and thank you.
All right, thank you so much to Noor. Great job. Both of you did a great job, Rafaela and Noor. And so just to recap, Rafaela's preferred mode of transport, type of transport, was the metro. And Noor likes driving, but the caveat means kind of like the condition. The condition is that she likes to have somebody with her, because she has a bad sense of direction, as do I. Okay, so we have some similarities there. Thank you so much to both of you, Rafaela and Noor, for your video challenges. You did a great job. If you would like to take part in these video challenges, you can join our private community at EnglishTVLive.com. We have a free trial at the moment for $1, which is not going to last for very long. But I'll leave the link for that in the description of this video. Don't forget as well to join our free English workshop, which is starting on Monday, the 29th of October, running through until the 31st of October, which is Halloween Day, to celebrate Halloween. So to eliminate your fear of speaking English. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. That's about it for today. I will see you next time and see you in the workshop. Bye-bye.